Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to log your Instagram app with your Face ID and passcode. So guys, many iPhone users don't know how to log their Instagram app with their Face ID or passcode, and many of you want to log it. But guys, unfortunately, like WhatsApp, iPhone or Apple don't allow us to log any other app with our Face ID and passcode. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will give you a simple trick from which you can log your Instagram app with your Face ID and passcode. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, you can see if I open my Instagram, anyone can easily access to it and open it. But guys, to log it, you have to do is simply follow these steps. First of all, you have to do is go to the app library and search here shortcuts. Tap on it. Now you can see your option automation. Simply tap on it and tap on this plus icon. After tapping it, then scroll down and go to the apps. Scroll up and you can see your option app. Simply tap on it. Now tap on app choose and scroll down until you see Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now tap on done. Now tap on run immediately and you have to make sure that the notify when run is turned off. After this, then tap on next. Now tap on set timer and cancel it, and then tap on add action and search here lock screen. Scroll down and you can see the option lock screen. Now tap on it and tap on done, and it's done. Now guys, if I open or try to access to my Instagram, my iPhone will automatically lock and it will require my Face ID or passcode to access it or open it, unlock it. So guys, these were some simple steps or trick that how to lock your Instagram app with your Face ID and passcode. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.